It took a fight in court, but an Albuquerque judge has agreed to let cameras inside the courtroom where the Torrance County manager and her friend are accused of misusing taxpayer dollars. With the preliminary hearing now open to the public and the media, we now have a much better idea why attorneys wanted that courtroom sealed. News 13's Chris McKee is here with more.
Kim, attorneys for Joy Ansley and Chris Valdez argued today that supposed evidence about the extent of their relationship could lead to an unfair trial. Ultimately, a judge decided against them.
It was an argument for an open courtroom today in the fraud case facing Torrance County manager Joy Ansley and her contractor friend Chris Valdez.
These two cases are a matter of significant public importance.
Attorneys representing the news media, including KRQE News 13, argued to open the doors Judge Kenneth Martinez sealed without giving a reason.
Because we don't even have an order which would substantiate why the courtroom should be closed or the file should be sealed.
Ansley and Valdez's attorneys are worried about evidence state prosecutors say they'll present and how it could taint a jury.
That they had the ability to prove that an inappropriate and sexual relationship existed between my client, Chris Valdez, and the county manager, Joy Ansley, in 2007 and 2008, the relevant charging period here.
But Judge Martinez decided against them.
Allowing not only public access, but access by any of the various media outlets.
With doors open, we now have a better idea of what investigators are looking at. State prosecutors questioned one woman today, a volunteer tied to a park project in Torreon. The state alleges more than $60,000 of work at that park wasn't advertised. Instead, the county just added it to Valdez's existing contract for about $11,000 worth of fence work at the park. Prosecutors questioned why the work was given to Valdez without a bid.
If they already had a state contract that or on the vendor list, I guess, then I didn't have to get a proposal if it was under a certain amount.
Now, investigators claim an approval note as well with Joy Ansley's initials was attached to the receipt for the extra park work. Investigators also claim that Valdez overcharged the county for that work at the park by using a tax rate of about 7% instead of 6%. Kim, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Chris. Now, the preliminary hearing is expected to last all tomorrow as well. Now, once the hearing is complete, the judge will decide if there is enough evidence to take the case to trial.